Hot weather is here, so let's cool down with a healthy kale and fruit smoothie. This Jamba Juice copycat of apples and greens is packed with both flavor and nutrients. Before it gets too hot, let's jump into the kitchen and get started on our power size smoothie. In a blender, pour 1.5 cups of unsweetened apple juice. When you add the liquid first, it helps to blend everything a bit easier. To the apple juice, we'll add 2 cups of frozen kale, 1 cup of chopped frozen bananas, 1 cup of chopped frozen mango, and 1 cup of chopped frozen peaches. If you don't have frozen fruit, you could always use fresh fruit and add a handful of ice cubes. Be warned though, the ice cubes will water the smoothie down a bit, so don't add too many. Blend the smoothie for 30 to 60 seconds, or until all the ingredients are fully incorporated and the mixture is smooth. If the smoothie stops blending because it is too thick, add a little bit of water or more apple juice. I had to add a little more water to help my blender out. If the smoothie is too thin, you can add more frozen fruit or ice to make it thicker. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing. When your smoothie looks just about done, give it a measured shake like they do at Jamba Juice. Make sure your hand is on top of the lid while you do so. Then give it one last quick blend. Now we can pour the smoothie into a tall glass and enjoy. If you like ordering your Jamba Juice drinks with boosters like protein powder, chia seeds, flax seeds, vitamins, or other boosts, you could always mix those in during blending to power yourself up. Stay cool in the summer heat and let me know what your go-to Jamba Juice drink is. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.